Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing how to make cream cheese at home. So cream cheese is basically used for making cake frostings, and also this is great to have with toast. This is a great low fat option. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन्ते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First take 1 liter of full fat milk. Heat it and continue stirring and bring it to a boil. Lower the heat. Gradually add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar and mix. Milk has curdled and paneer has formed now. Place a cotton or muslin cloth over a sieve on a bowl. Strain the prepared paneer. Do not discard the whey, use it for curries or making dough. Place it over another vessel and wash with cold water. Lightly squeeze out the excess water. We do not need to remove all the water from that. Place it on the sieve like this for 15 minutes. Then add the Chhena to the blender jar. Add 3 tablespoons of the whey water, a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Blend till it's smooth. You can skip the vanilla essence. I'll be making cake frosting with it, so I have added that. Our super smooth and creamy cream cheese is ready. See how easy it is to make. Cream cheese is very hard to find in many parts of India, so this is how you can easily make cream cheese at home and store it for 7 to 8 days in airtight container. This is perfect for cake icings and to have it with bread. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.